Hey guys, what's up? This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. And if you have ever felt like you are doing everything right, saving a bit each month, grinding at your job, following the usual advice, but you are still stuck paycheck to paycheck or just not getting ahead, this video is for you. A few months ago, I picked up the Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco out of pure curiosity. I thought it was just another get rich quick book. Boy, I was wrong. I ended by underlining almost everything other page. This book didn't just give me tips. It rewarded how I see money, time, and success. Today, I'm sharing the 20 biggest lessons that hit me hardest and actually changed my thinking. If you are tired of the slow grind, stick around. This might flip the script for you too. Let's dive in. For those who do not know, MJ DeMarco is a self-made multimillionaire who built and sold companies. He calls out the traditional path. Get a degree, get a job, save 10%, invest in index funds, retire at 65. As the slow lane, it's safe, but slow. He pushes the fast lane. Build scalable businesses that make money without trading your life for it. No fluff, very direct. If you are into entrepreneurship or escaping the rat race, this one's gold. All right, huh? Here are the lessons that stuck with me the most. With me the most, huh? Number one, if what you're doing isn't working, stop. Okay? Stop. Normal results come from normal behavior. Normal isn't the goal. If your plan isn't delivering the freedom, it's time to pivot hard. Okay, conventional advice won't make you wealthy early. Saving 10 to 10% for 40 years might work eventually. That's not fast. The math of compound interest preserves wealth. Wealth, it doesn't build it quickly for most people. Wealth isn't an event, it's a process. Overnight success is years of invisible work. Behind every fast success is consistent, unsexy effort. You need a money tree, not just a paycheck. Build something that earns money even when you're sleeping. Systems, assets, businesses, not trading hours forever. Number five, time is the real asset. Money is replaceable, time isn't. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. Protect it firstly. Separate income from time. Early pay literally caps your life. Your earnings are limited by how many hours you have in a day. Pick your lane intentionally. There are three. Sidewalk, no plan, leave for today. Slow lane, safe job plus save, long wait. Fast lane, hard work now, but scalable and explosive potential. Choose wisely. If you have to do mental gymnastics to afford something, you can't afford it. Real affordability doesn't stress you out or require justification. Spending shouldn't change your financial trajectory. Wealthy people buy things without derailing their wealth building. Their income grows faster than their lifestyle. Number 10, the slow lane is safer but cap. Great for stability and predictability. Terrible if you want outsized freedom or early retirement. Blaming others keeps you stuck. Control equals responsibility. Pointing fingers at the economy, your boss, or luck, that's staying broke. Your income reflects the value you provide. Want more money? Raise the value that you deliver to the world. Solve bigger problems. Most people trade 5 bad days for 2 good ones. Weekend warriors, vacation counters. That's a terrible deal. Life shouldn't feel like prison 5 days a week. The real play is in front, loaded effort. Work insanely hard now, so later isn't tied to a clock. Sacrifice today for freedom tomorrow. Get rich quick doesn't mean get rich easy. It means scale, leverage, and massive value creation, not luck or shortcuts. To make millions, you have to impact millions or thousands deeply. Scale matters. The law of affection impact more lives, more money flows. Being frugal with time matters more than being frugal with money. Waiting hours in line to save $5, not smart if your time is worth more. I can't afford it. It usually conversation ender. Flip it. Ask, how could I afford it? That question forces creativity and action. If everyone is doing it, look elsewhere. Crowded paths rarely lead to outside results. Be contrarian when it counts. Plans don't change lives, action does. Ideas are cheap, execution compounds. Reading this book means nothing unless you act on it. Whew, whew. That's a lot. But of course, each one punched me in the gut in the best way. Look, I've been in the slow lane most of my life. Good job, save a little, hope for the best. This book made me realize why I felt stuck even when I was doing everything right. It's not about working harder in the same system. It's about changing the system. If you've been grinding and still trapped, pick up the millionaire fast lane. It might rattle you, but in a good way, like it did for me. One thing that really stuck me with me, and I think it will hit you too, is the law of affection. MJ says the more lives you impact in scale or magnitude, the more money flows back to you. It's not about getting lucky, it's about solving problems for millions or even thousands deeply enough that it changes their lives. I used to think wealth was just about hustling harder in my job. But after this book, I realized I'm switching from consumer to producer. Stop consuming endless content. Start creating value that people pay for. Build that money tree, whether it's a digital product, an online service, software, or even a local business here in the Philippines that scales beyond one city. Compound interest preserves wealth, but it doesn't build it fast. Fast laners use it to stay rich, not to get there. The real math is front loaded effort plus leverage plus scale. Here's one quote that keeps replaying in my head: ideas are worthless, execution is priceless. And another, there's a profound difference between interest and commitment. Interest reads a book, commitment applies the book 50 times. Guys, I've started applying this already. Small steps, but they are compounding. If you are in Quezon City grinding like I was, feeling the daily traffic and the is this it feeling, the book screams that you can rewrite the script. You don't have to wait until 60 to live freely. So ask yourself right now, are you on the sidewalk, slow lane, or ready to hit the fast lane? Whatever your answer, start today, one action, one pivot. Now, if this fired you up, jump straight into your existing. Huh? So which lesson hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comment section. Smash that like button, subscribe, grab the book, link in the description. Go build your fast lane. Peace. Thank you so much and God bless you all.